Right, in this video we're going to simplify a fraction where there are both quadratic. So simplify x squared minus 7x over x squared minus 49. So we've got x squared minus 7x over x squared minus 49. So the main technique here is that we're going to factorize. So what is the common factor in the numerator? The common factor in the numerator is just x, and we're going to be left with x minus 7. If you think about it, x times x gives me x squared, and then x times minus 7 gives me minus 7x. Now this x squared minus 49, you need to recognize is the difference of two squares. Difference of two squares is a squared minus b squared, will be a plus b times a minus b. So we've got this situation, x squared and 49 is a square number. Okay, so a will be x and b will be the square root of 49, which is 7. So this comes down to x plus 7, x minus 7. But here we've got the same thing in the numerator as in the denominator, so we can cancel out. And we're left with a final answer of x divided by x plus 7. So this has been a video to show you how to simplify a fraction where the numerator and the denominator are both quadratics. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.